What's up, y'all? So it is a beautiful day out today. The sun's out, the water's cool, and it is warm enough for me to wear a tank top. This is a last minute ride that I just planned. We're launching right now from Xtreme on the Sand Jack, and then we're gonna be heading down to Baytown, go to Oneals, and then go to Cedar Bayou. So before we start this video, I'll need y'all to help me out. Help me get to 10,000 subscribers. Hit that subscribe button down below if you're not already subscribed. Make sure you like and comment on this video. When you like the video or comment, that helps me keep in the algorithm of the YouTube and help me out by suggesting my videos to other people. So let's keep it rolling. All right, let's go. Wow, it's such a beautiful day today, and I had to take advantage of it. The sun's out. I'm in a tank top. Look at that sunblock glistening. And the water's cool. It feels so good.
Either we gonna hang out here or hang out there.
All right. Do you want to go to Oneals first? All right. So we just met up right now. Linked up. Make sure always link up with your group. Don't go so ahead of them. So in case somebody breaks down, y'all are able to keep up with everyone. This is 146 Bridge. Right around the bend is Oneals. So it's one of my favorite places to come out into Baytown area and get some snacks, some food, some drinks, fuel, anything. They've got it. We just pulled into Oneals. So this is the marina that's here. As you can see, there's plenty of parking. You can bump up with everybody and you can come on this side, but and then there goes the restaurant and bar, and then there's fuel right here. So poor Oneals has been closed because of COVID, and they stayed closed longer than any bar, restaurant, and they serve really good food here than in the area. So I don't understand. I really didn't know why they stayed that long, but I'm so glad that they opened a couple weeks ago. About 3 weeks ago they opened up. So we got to give our local businesses business, and of course we're gonna come visit. The food's pretty good here. You got some wings, salad. Did you enjoy your burger?
Oh my God. Yes, that was so good.
Did you enjoy your food?
I did.
Did you?
I did.
It was okay. I'm lying. It was good.
You're making no sense. The water was delicious.
Ay, ay, ay.